Residents of Kitengela have for years struggled to meet their water needs. Fresh water is a rare commodity and most of them make do with untreated saline water that costs them an arm and a leg to purchase. They are now demanding intervention from a government as they are living in a situation they say is not sustainable.
Kitengela town is arguably among the fastest growing towns in the country. The growth could be faster if only the infrastructure gaps could be resolved. Yellow jerrycans may as well pass for the uniting symbol for this community. Every other day, most of the residents will find themselves carrying the said jerrycan, seeking a commodity that they cannot do without.
The issue of water is a priority that needs to have been sorted yesterday.
This situation has persisted for years, and so the residents feel that it is about time to resolve the water situation. The county government that ought to resolve the situation appears to be looking at where the government stands to earn revenue.
Hatuwezi kufika hiyo standard ambayo watu watakuwa na afford kununua maji kwa 50 shillings. Na hasa katika area hii hata borehole ambayo tuko nazo hazitoshereshi population ambayo tuko nayo.
Kama mimi napeleka hii nasunguka nayo karibu siku mzima ama masaa mawili ndio nimalize hii mitungi 30 niko nayo. Je, hiyo ikiuzwa na 59 atanunua?
Ingekuwa muhimu kwanza governor address issue ya sewerage system. Issue ya sewerage system ndio hata manyumba ambayo zimejengwa mangorofa pia ziweze kutumia maji machache.
While more sustainable measures can be taken, the government had planned to set up 8 water kiosks to provide water to the very thirsty community. While the construction of the kiosks was started 2 years ago by the Ministry of Water and Sanitation in collaboration with the county government, only 3 kiosks are operational. The 3 do not meet the need, and so they fall victims of water traders whose prices are exorbitant, to say the least.
Kalia hii maji mtungi moja tunauza na 15 pop. Pato customer inakuwa ni shida kununua hiyo maji. Anataka umuuzie mpaka shilingi 10.
As the government takes its time, the population size in Kitengela continues to grow, and with that, the current water shortage may actually worsen. Charity Mwangi, NTV.